Good morning children. Today we are going to a new lesson and from the new book. Okay, now we will take the second semester book. We have finished all the lesson in the first semester, so we are going to begin in the second semester. So second semester, the first lesson, it is given fraction. So we are going to learn fraction now. So fraction means fracture. Fracture means somebody have a fracture. If they say means it is broken. So broken, if the bone is broken, we say he is having a fracture. So fraction means it is breaking. Fraction means it is breaking. So remember that way. Fraction means breaking. So that means one whole is there. This whole we break it into how many parts we want. But when you break, you have to break it equally. Then only it is called a fraction. So now I'm breaking in this one into two equal parts. So this one is there are two parts. Two parts is divided into two parts, and this is one of the parts. So this is 1 by 2, and this also here there are two parts, and this is one of the part. So this is 1 by 2. So this is the way we write the fraction. So in fraction there is two numbers. Two numbers together makes fraction. It is not a single number. So one number will be on the top, another number will be on the down. Okay, let me explain now through using the paper. Now this is the paper, whole paper. Okay, this whole paper now I am folding into half. I am folding into half. So now I am getting here two parts here. This is one part, this is one part. So there are two equal parts. So in these two equal parts, this is one of the part. So the equal parts we will write it down. So it is 1 by 2. So equal part we will write it down. So that is 2, and this is one of the parts. So this is 1. So 1 by 2. So these are 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 2. Now again if I make it into equal parts, again if I fold it equally, I am getting 4 equal parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. How many equal parts? That you have to write it down. 4, and this represent only one part. So that is 1. Okay, so 1 by 4. So this is divided into 1 by 4 equal parts. Okay, this is the way we write. So equal parts we write it down, and what part that represent, how many parts it is representing, that we will write on the top. So this down one is called the denominator. The down number is called the denominator. So down, you remember D, down. Okay, don't forget which is denominator. In downward, the first letter is D. Denominator also, the first letter is D. And the top number is called numerator. This way can be asked in the exam also, that if suppose it can be given like this, 2 by 11. So numerator in the fraction 2 by 11 dash. So you must know which is the numerator. Okay, and you will be thinking what it is. This symbol is what? So this symbol is what? In divide you have seen, no? This symbol, middle one line is there, on the top two dots are there. This is the division symbol. So this line, this says it is divide. Okay, so here also it is the same meaning. This meaning is divide. So by meaning that 1 by 4. 1 by 4. This is we pronounce it by, but actually here the operation done is division. That means we are dividing 1 by 4. 1 we are dividing by 4. Suppose if it is 15 and down 3 is there, means 15 we are dividing by 3. So this is the way we write the fraction. This by meaning you must know. This by meaning means divide. Okay, so this you will know. This is the basic things you must know. What is on the top number is what and down number is what. In addition and subtraction you have seen one number, only single number, but in fraction there are two numbers. In numerator one number, denominator one number will be there. These two numbers are separated by the division symbol. Okay, between these two numbers the division symbol is there. This is the way we represent the fraction. Okay, now let's see how to write the fraction. See here is a rectangle. This one we are going to divide into two equal parts. So I am drawing a line here. You can also divide the line here, but I am doing it here like this. So this is two equal parts we are dividing. So this we can write, there are two equal parts. So number of equal parts, total number of equal parts you have to write in the denominator. And this represent how many parts that you have to write on the top. So this is only one part. So on the top 1. This also same thing. The equal parts are 2 and this represent 1. So 1 by 2. So this is dividing it into half. So this is dividing into half. So 1 by 2. We can say 1 by 2. Otherwise we can call it this one half. So half means you must know when it is written in words we write it half, but when it is written in numbers we write it 1 by 2. So this don't forget, half means you must know it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means it is half, you must know. Okay, now the same rectangle. Now I am going to divide it into 4 equal parts. So 4 equal parts I have divided. So if you represent this each one by fraction. So I told you in denominator you have to write the total number of equal parts. So here the equal parts are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. So 4 is down. And this represent only one equal part. So 1 by 4. Same thing here. There are total 4 equal parts. And this represent 1. This also same. Okay, so 1 by 4. So this is divided into 4 equal parts. So we write it 1 by 4. So this is half and this is called quarter. So 1/4 otherwise it is called quarter. So quarter also you must know. Quarter means what? 1 by 4 means quarter. 1 by 4 means quarter. So 1 by 2 means half. 1 by 4 means quarter. And this two together we can say 2 quarters, otherwise half. Okay, because this is 1 quarter, this is 1 quarter. So 1 plus 1, 2 quarters. So you can say 2 quarters. And this one 3 means we can say 3 quarters. We can say that way also. And this 3 also we say that 3/4. We say 3/4, that way also we can mention. So it is not given in your book, for your extra knowledge I am giving. Okay, now shaded figure. The figure is given. In that shaded part you have to represent in fraction. So how to represent? Let's see. Last year you have learned. I think it will be easy for you, I think. Let's see now. Okay, now here 2 figure I have given. For this you have to write the fraction. So you will write the number in numerator and the denominator. You have to represent the number. I told in denominator you have to write the total number of equal parts. So in this triangle the total number of equal parts is 1, 2, 3. There are 3 equal parts, so you will write 3 down. Again, how many is shaded? So here the shaded part is only one part is shaded. So you will write on the top 1. So this is 1 by 3. So this figure represents the fraction 1 by 3. Okay, that means each part is divided into 1 by 3 equal parts. Again here, if you see in this rhombus, here you have to write the fraction. To first in denominator we will write the total number of parts, total number of equal parts. So here the total number of equal parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number of equal parts is 12. And how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded. So this figure represents the fraction 5 by 12. So this is the way we write the we represent the figure in fraction. I think last year you have learned, so you will do, I think very easy only you can do. Okay, so this is in recap exercise you can do. Again some more things now we will learn now. Okay, now we are going to learn the type of fraction. So the first one is the proper fraction. Proper fraction. So proper means it is properly, then it is proper fraction. If it is not a proper, then we say improper fraction. Proper means fraction. If the fraction should be proper means, that means the head must be small. That means the numerator must be small and the denominator must be big. So in numerator and the denominator, numerator must be small and the denominator should be big. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then it is a proper fraction. So in proper fraction, numerator is smaller than the denominator. So example, like let me give an example. 3 by 4. So here 3 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. 3 is smaller than 4. So it is a proper fraction. So another one, 7 by 12. So if you see, numerator is smaller than the denominator. So this is a proper fraction. Now improper fraction. The second type is improper fraction. Improper fraction, the word itself it is saying, if it is not proper, then it is improper fraction. That means if the head is big, the numerator is big, means then it is improper fraction. Numerator is big and the denominator is small. So here numerator is greater than the denominator. So for this example now, 25 by 4. So here numerator is big, denominator is small. So this is improper fraction. Another example, let me give 19 by 3. So here numerator is big, denominator is small, so it is improper fraction. So for you, easy to understand improper fraction. So head, if in your body, if the head is big enough, bigger than your body, whether the head can stand proper, it will not be proper, it will be improper, it cannot stand straight, it will fall off if the head is bigger. Okay, the head must be smaller, then only it can stand on the body. Okay, it can stand straight on the body and it can move. If the head is so big, it will be improper to look and it will fall down. Okay, the same thing, improper means the head is big, means it is improper. If the head is small, then it is proper. Okay, head means I am saying numerator. On the top is the head. Okay, so if the numerator is smaller, then it is a proper fraction. If the numerator is bigger, then it is a improper fraction. So this is the basic one first you are learning. Now next we are going to learn unit fraction. Unit fraction. So here also the word itself, from the word itself we can understand unit. Unit means, I think I remember I have taught you, unit means 1. Unit means 1. So if in the fraction, if in the numerator 1 is there, that is a unit fraction. So 1 by 4, this is a unit fraction because in numerator 1 is there. Now 1 by 10, numerator is 1, so it is a unit fraction. 1 by 25, numerator is 1, so it is unit fraction. So this is, if in the numerator 1 is there, they are called unit fractions. Again, next one is like fraction and unlike fractions. So like fraction. In like fractions, like fraction, by looking at one fraction alone we cannot understand. For proper fraction, only one fraction enough. From here itself we can find whether it is proper or improper. Unit also you can learn, you can see by looking at one fraction. But like fraction means you need at least 2 fraction. You will compare and find out. Okay, so here let me give an example now. 4 by 5 and 1 by 5. Here if you see 1 by 5, here if you see the denominator is same, both the denominator is same. So if in the fractions, if the denominator is same, they are called like fraction. So it is not only 2 fraction, it can be more than 2 fractions. If the denominator is same, they are called the like fraction. So another type is the unlike fraction. So here itself you will understand, I think, what is unlike fraction. So like fraction is denominator is same. So unlike fraction means denominator will be different. So now 11 by 15 and 10 by 13. Here if you see, the denominator is different, so it is a unlike fraction. So if the denominator is same, that is like fraction. If the denominator is different, they are unlike fractions. So another example let me give now. Suppose if it is like this, 5 by 7, 5 by 11. You see here the numerator is same. So can you say this is like fraction? This is not a like fraction. This is also unlike fraction. So like fraction and unlike fraction, we compare only the denominator. We don't compare the numerator. We compare only the denominator. If the denominator is same, they are like fraction. If the denominator is different, they are unlike fractions. Okay, we should not bother about the numerator. Okay, if it is equal also or if it is not equal, you don't bother the numerator, you have to see only the denominator. If the denominator is same, they are like fractions. If they are different, they are unlike fraction. So there are few sums are there in recap exercise. Complete and send me now. Thank you.